Hello and welcome to Tokaido, a local development environment manager for Drupal 7 and 8 running on macOS. Designed to be both powerful and very easy to use, Tokaido lets you create production-grade local environments using Docker in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you just some of the features that Tokaido makes available with its powerful tok command line interface. First is the tokup command, which lets you launch the Tokaido environment against an existing Drupal 7 or Drupal 8 project. If you run tokup from the root of your project's Git repository, Tokaido will offer to automatically configure the site's database and cache settings, set up a trusted SSL certificate, and run some basic health checks against your environment. As you can see here, we've accelerated this installation just a little bit, but generally the Tokaido up process takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size of your project. Tokaido is the only tool of its kind that offers a complete and fully featured SSH gateway into your environment. When you run tokup, Tokaido auto-loads an SSH profile and SSH key for that project so that you can easily SSH into the project's admin container. From here you can run commands such as drush, composer, gulp, yarn, and many more. Now that your environment's launched, you can use the tokopen command to open the site directly in your browser using a trusted SSL certificate on port 5414. The tokconfig command is the easiest way to modify your local environment. Just run tokconfig and navigate to the settings you want to change. In this example, we're increasing the PHP FPM memory limit to 512 meg and turning on the mailhog service. This then leads us to the tok rebuild command, which relaunches your Tokaido environment using those new configuration settings. This feature makes it really easy to use Tokaido without really having to invest any time in learning how Tokaido works. It helps us to achieve our goal of making Tokaido the tool that lets you just get on with the job of building great Drupal websites and gets out of your way. Tokaido also offers a series of commands to make and restore snapshots of the Drupal database. For example, you can take a snapshot with tok snapshot new and then restore it with tok snapshot restore. You can also easily import external database backups by placing them in the .tok/local/snapshots directory in your repository and then restore them from there as well. But Tokaido is not just easy to use, it's also incredibly fast. We've developed a unique approach to running Drupal in Docker on macOS that bypasses many of the disk performance issues that plague other tools. For example, when running commands like composer install, Tokaido is 4 to 5 times faster than other tools which rely on native Docker volume mounts. If you'd like to check out Tokaido, it's pretty easy to install. Just make sure you have Docker for Mac and Homebrew installed and then run these 2 brew commands. If you run into any problems, you can find us in the Tokaido channel in Drupal Slack, and you can learn more about using Tokaido over at docs.tokaido.io. Thanks very much for watching.